All right, I am here with Isaac Keza, a Holloway guy, and we're going to talk about shed demolition, shed removals. Isaac, talk to us about the shed removal process. What should I expect? When should I give you a call?
So give us a call as soon as you're ready to have that shed torn down. We charge based on the size of the shed, so it really varies. We do everything from small plastic garden sheds that people buy at Sam's Club or Costco, all the way up to large 2-car garages. So whatever your situation is, we're happy to help. We have a small mini skid steer, so if it is on a small concrete slab, we can get that slab pulled up for you. If it's in a difficult location where we can't use the machine, we're happy to still get in there and we'll tear it down by hand if needed. We are here to make your life easier, so we'll do what needs to be done.
Awesome. And what if I have a shed that is, it's a bit dilapidated, maybe a little bit risky, and it's also just full of stuff? Maybe I inherited the property from family and there's just this ancient shed out back that's just full of junk. Can you guys come in and still help with that?
Absolutely. So we can clean it up for you, let you take a look at it, see if you want to save it, and then we can also tear it down for you. So we can do both. We can come in and do the whole project at once, or if you're on a budget and you want to clean it out initially, kind of gauge the situation, look at it, and then we can come back. Either way, we'll work with you.
Awesome. That's really good to know. Thank you for your time, Isaac.
Yeah, thank you.